This is Austin from SkipperBud's. We've got a 2023 Stabicraft 1550 Fisher. Very cool boat. Hatch opens up front. Gives you access to the front of the boat, the anchor, the trolling motor. We've got a 70 horse Yamaha on the back. This boat will go about 35. It's a fun ride, a good fishing machine. Very sturdy boarding ladder. Rod holders all over. There's a bait station that hooks in here. You've got a see-through live well, wash down, battery switches, charger, everything real easy to get to. Nice canvas enclosure. Room for a cooler. You've got your helm station, everything right here where you need it. Then you can go up front, work the trolling motor, anchor, and when it gets cold, well, you want to go across the lake and not get any spray, you've got a fully enclosed cockpit. Very cool boat. Give us a call, come out and see it. Ready for 5 people. You can go fish all day and not go through a tank of fuel.